Sup, y'all? It's the one and only Lowell Bellinger, and today I just want to talk about a quick little topic, and that's in regards to watershed and habitat restoration. There's not enough programming, there's not enough funding for this specific activity, and it really needs to be done. Um, Most cities have like some type of natural watershed or natural water site, and a lot of times it's just polluted and people can't really enjoy it. Such as like the San Gabriel River, Los Angeles River, and so forth. And there's actually even a natural watershed in my city, and it's a park. And when I was a kid, we all used to go there and catch all the tadpoles and the frogs and the crayfish and so forth. Now, when we go there, it's completely empty of any type of wildlife. There's nothing in the streams, and this is all due to pollution and just mismanagement of natural resources and amenities. So, we need to have a group of people, different backgrounds, engineers, landscapers, biologists, and they all need to come together and just really regenerate these watersheds that were once natural, so people can enjoy them again and have the wildlife come back and so forth. It's going to have many benefits for the environment as well. So, just from my perspective, what we need to have, but have a great day.